Subject: Kyle Hamilton. Classification: a unicorn. Height: 6 feet 4. Identifiers: rare size for a safety, elite versatility, number 14 everywhere at once. Primary weapon: coverage range, positional flexibility, movement pattern, smooth stride, explosive break, notable tendencies, lines up deep, in the box. Behavioral profile: calm control, unpredictable presence, threat zone, deep coverage, slot receivers. Defensive response: disguise assignments, shift formations. Containment: quick reads and fast releases, rarely enough. Psychological impact: quarterbacks hesitate. Risk level: total field control. Final advisory: do not assume his position. Do not force throws near him. Because when the unicorn is on the field, nowhere is truly open.